Coming February 25th through the 27th of 2025, it's the Trailer Tech Expo, powered by NATDA and sponsored by Dealer Spike. Recently members of NATDA's Dealer Advisory and Manufacturers Councils visited the future home of Trailer Tech Expo. Council members were given tours of the facility to get a feel for expo, classroom, event, and meeting space. They were also treated to a tour of Reno and its many unique tourist destinations. Hear what a few of our council members had to say about Trailer Tech Expo and the beautiful city of Reno, Nevada.
Hey, this is Will with Delco Trailers. We're here with NATDA, checking out the new facility for the new show coming up in February. Loving the idea. The whole thing is centered around how the industry is moving forward, new ways to do things, better ways to do things, focusing on training, operations, whether it's new EMS systems, whether that's training. So really looking forward to it, and I think it's going to be a great opportunity for everyone to come out and learn.
I'm Ryan with Liberty Trailers, and I'm here on behalf of the NATDA Advisory Council. And yeah, as you said, I think this is going to be a very unique event, the first of its kind. And I'll share a little bit with you about the facilities and stuff here. The overall, floor plan is enormous. The layout of the building, I think the manufacturers will find it very easy to set up.
It will be a lot easier.
Yes. Getting in and out of that, this thing has been very well thought through. If you have not heard anything about the new Trailer Tech Expo, please reach out to us. We're here to help. There's a lot of good stuff that the organization has planned for us all.